Assembly and installation of base-style vertical slide-out toolboards. Your base-style vertical slide-out toolboard will arrive in two assemblies. The horizontal slide-out toolboard base with left and right slides and 3" by 3" mounting angles, as well as a dual-sided vertical tool mounting board with the base mounting angles attached. If your tool panel was part of the original specs for building and equipping your vehicle, the equipment manufacturer would have had access to the back side of your compartment walls during fabrication and would have been able to use nut and bolt construction for these panels during installation. In the event that your vehicle is already built and you will mount these panels yourself, prior to drilling, it is still highly recommended that you contact your vehicle manufacturer to verify that there are no tanks, wiring harnesses, or similar hazards located immediately behind where you intend to drill. Armed with this information, you are ready to begin. For compartments made of steel or aluminum, most end users will mount using self-tapping fasteners. For stainless steel compartments, where galling may occur, users may decide to drill and tap using machine screws and lock washers, for example. While each installation can be different, the important things to consider are standard industry practices for safety, corrosion protection, as well as a schedule of periodic checks to ensure that the fasteners remain snug year after year. We're going to show you a typical method for mounting these into position. Tools that you may need are a tape measure, a transfer punch and hammer or other marker, a 5/32 hex key, a screw gun with an appropriate tip for your chosen fasteners, possibly a drill, tap, and lubricant, possibly a tape dispenser, a framing square, and as always, wear appropriate eye protection and safety gear. Step 1. To begin, place the horizontal slide-out toolboard assembly on your compartment floor in its approximate intended mounting location, being certain to set it deep enough into the compartment for the door to close, and verifying that there are no obstructions in the slide-out path. Using a framing square, verify that the assembly is parallel to the front of the compartment. When positioned, as a suggestion, using tape and marker, match mark the corners of the mounting angles to the floor of the compartment. With an extra set of hands, extend the slide out far enough to expose just the deepest mounting holes in the mounting angles. Verify that the slides still line up with the match marks that you drew, and transfer the mounting hole locations directly to the floor of your compartment. Using two of your chosen fasteners, drill through the floor of the compartment and fasten the mounting angles directly to the floor. Fully extend the slide the rest of the way, and drill and fasten the last two mounting holes. Now that the horizontal slide-out board is mounted, the next step is to attach the vertical board to it. At the base of your vertical panel, on the mounting angles, you will see mounting holes every 5 3/4 inches. These holes will line up with unistrut tracks in your horizontal slide-out tool panel. Begin by inserting and twisting 2 channel nuts into each unistrut channel on the horizontal panel, and spreading them to line up with the mounting holes in your vertical panel. Align your panel in the desired side-to-side location, and bolt the vertical panel through these holes into the channel nuts using the provided button head cap screws. That's it. You have just installed a base-style vertical slide-out toolboard. If you have any questions about this installation process, please give us a call. We would be happy to help. View our other videos online for additional tips and information.